Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Foliage. If you remember this setup, it was kept in here and all of those aguides were extremely dehydrated. And this is how they tend to look like. They are quite well hydrated. I would say 90% of them have a bounce back. A little bit of wrinkles still, but that will be taken care. So today I have shifted them back to the same place. They are starting to get acclimated. Today was the first day of acclimation. So they have received sunlight, the morning direct sunlight from 7 a.m. until 8 a.m. Today was the first day. So tomorrow it's going to be from 7 a.m. until 8:30 a.m. and day after that it's going to be 7 a.m. until 9 a.m. So I will be gradually increasing the sunlight. So it's going to take a while. I'll do this for a week or so and then they will be exposed to morning direct sunlight from 7 a.m. until 11 a.m. 11:30 a.m. I was a little bit scared because aguides do not like to be kept in a partial shade or indirect bright light. I just wanted them to plump up as soon as possible so that I can put them back to direct sunlight, because aguides are a variety that do not like less light. They can easily start getting rotted, but so far all of them are doing fantastic. They have all kind of bounced back, a little bit still left, but overall they are doing fantastic. So as I said, this is going to take a couple of days. Now let's say guys, you do not have much time to do all this slow acclimation. What you can do is you can directly put them under a green shade cloth and they will do quite well. Or you can use a polycarbonate sheet. Like if I do not want to do the slow introduction, I can always use a polycarbonate sheet like this and let them sit under this. Even if there is going to be direct afternoon sunlight, it is still going to do quite well, because even the direct afternoon sunlight will be in the form of filtered sunlight or indirect bright light. So even if it's afternoon sunlight, it's absolutely okay as long as you have some kind of a filtration. Do not keep them directly under afternoon direct sunlight, otherwise they will get burnt or they will get damaged and dehydrated. So it's a better option. Either you can use a green shade cloth, or if you have a polycarbonate sheet, you can use that as well. If you're going to keep them under this sheet, then you do not need to do the process of moving back and forth in direct and indirect bright light. You can just let them be under the polycarbonate sheet and it's going to save up a lot of your time. So that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.